Oh, what's up YouTube? How's it going? I'm back again for another random video. I picked up this Airhawk Pro at Costco the other day for $45 Canadian. This has got to be the best thing ever made. Inflate tires, fast and easy, as seen on TV. Handheld and powerful, lightweight, under 2 pounds, cordless and rechargeable. For cars, SUVs, RV tires, sports equipment, inflatable toys, bike tires, and more. I can't believe Costco is finally selling something that's worthwhile getting and is cheap. Oh wait, that's a lot of stuff at Costco. So, without further ado, Scooby-Doo. Whoops. Right in the back it says what it comes with. The cord, the bag, the attachments, soccer ball and basketball. 2 freaking plug-in batteries. Wow. Car charger and home charger. Cool. I've already tried this out and it works amazing. But I was waiting for it to be brighter outside so I can show you guys a better quality video. Wow, this thing is just amazing. It's got a built-in freaking light on it. It doesn't get any better than that, folks. Look at that. It's got a built-in light on it. That is crazy. Unheard of. Let me just zoom out here. That is just crazy. Wow. Super easy to attach. It's got like a little fitting on here. You can see it there. It's got a little fitting. So I'm going to go outside and pump up my truck tires. And it's got a digital reader down to 0.5. That is just awesome. No more bringing that compressor outside. None of that crap. Comes with a little baggie. Why do you need a little baggie? Why not? Why not? Oh my goodness gracious. Anyways, the car pump, tire pump, one I had before was the Slime. It was like a built-in compressor. Just a pain in the butt to bring that thing around. Well, the bag's pretty decent, not the biggest. Not the biggest bag, but it fits when it's got a hold. And it's got a hold. It fits in your bag so it doesn't get wrecked. Alright, let's go pump up some truck tires and see how good this bad boy works. I like how it only works when it's connected. It doesn't work if it's not connected. So that's a bonus. Kind of cheap, but it does the trick. So that's cool. The gauge tells you exactly how much is in the tire. Turn it off. You can change the settings. The KPI to PSI. So this has exactly 32. Let's see how good it is. It's taking quite some time to pump up air in this tire, but it is a truck tire. So it's not the quickest, but it's portable, it's easy, so why not? $40 to can't go wrong, but we'll be here quite a while pumping up a truck tire, a 20-inch truck tire. But for a little car, or a little donut tire, that'd be great. There you have it, YouTube. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more random videos as I try to upload not so often, and I'll talk to you real soon. Bye for now.